of all the saints ang gi-offer niya sa incense. It is our prayers. Ang problema, do you have prayers? Remember the word. Prayer, it is not for all saints, but prayer of all saints. Whose prayers? Kinsang prayers? What is offered up with the incense? Kinsang prayer? Prayers sa saints. Is it the prayer of Jesus Christ? It is the prayer of the saints. So, bait kayo, we Christians will not pray. Jesus Christ is doing our prayer. Mga makita na ito sa importante akong prayer. And Jesus Christ is there doing that to the Father. That's why Jesus said, if you pray to the Father, use my name in the name of Jesus Christ. Because He's the one advocating your prayer. Now, what is eventually done with the sincere? Now, this is the point. Cast into earth. I'd like you to read this one. 8:5. Something happened. Si Jesus Christ, ang galing prayer sa mga saints, yan ang ginagamit in advocating to the Father. But there's an event there na grabe. What happened to the incense? Di ba itong incense is the prayer of the saints? It was cast. Kung saan man ang cast? Yung labay na, where? Into the earth. Have you read that in Revelation 8:5? Just read it, no? So you will really amaze. Oh no, here you won't. 8:5 says, and the angel took the censer and filled it with fire of the altar and cast it into the earth. Buha na, humana. Then